Hi guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to Lana's Summertime. So in today's video, I want to give you two Halloween looks. They are just two of the ways that I'm going to be wearing my hair and makeup this Halloween. And hopefully they're going to look really pretty, really cute, you know, kind of interesting, mysterious, and it's gonna be putting your curly hair in like full focus as well. So if you've been growing your curly hair and you want to just create some really nice looks with it, then these hairstyles are really gonna help you out. You don't need to be wearing a wig this Halloween, you don't need to straighten your hair this Halloween, and you don't need to do a hairstyle that you need to have curly hair for. You know, like I've made a lot of those videos in the past where it's like costumes that you can do with curly hair, and those are great because they allow you to just like keep your curly hair and still be like really recognizable as the character. But these looks are not so much about turning your hair into a costume, more just some really pretty looks that you can wear, and I'm going to be doing it with my curly hair. I really wanted to film this 2 days ago, but I just did not get time. So my hair is currently on its third day, and I have been taking such good care of it, you guys. I have been like plopping, and my bonnet has been going on like perfectly at night because I don't want to disturb these curls at all. And anyway, let's crack on with the hairstyles. Let's get into the first look. So the first look is going to be a really detailed, embellished, decorated braid. We are going to try to level up on that for Halloween this year. Let's do a middle parting because those have been super popular this year, so we'll stick with the middle parting. I'm gonna leave some hair out for my fringe. Then I have just a couple ideas what I want to do with the rest of my hair. I don't want to do anything by halves today. I think I'm going to do a little braid with a ribbon just on this very top section of my hair. Guys, this is so cute. I haven't made a video with like a decorated background and everything for so long. I'm usually just like filming in my bedroom these days. For this, I'm going to take this ribbon and I'm going to do just a few turns of like a cornrow. So I'm going to separate up here into 3 pieces, stick this into the braid. So you kind of want to pinch it here and you want to bring that in like this, and then you can start kind of with your cornrow. What this hairstyle does, it basically allows you to showcase loads of your hairstyling skills all at once, and you can let it be kind of messy, not too messy so you can't even see what's going on, but just a little bit messy, because this is going to give you that kind of that forest fairy vibe. It will hopefully hold, and if it doesn't hold, you can use a tiny elastic or a bobby pin. I think I'm going to use a tiny elastic because I just want it to blend in. I know you guys hate the tiny elastics. I had so many comments from you guys on Instagram and here on YouTube the last time I made a hairstyle with the tiny elastics. Trust me, I don't like them either, but sometimes they're really useful. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I think if you guys don't know how to do this, it might be worth just going to look at one of my braids with extensions videos. So I had one where it's like color feeding braids. Think of this as a feeding braid. This is a feeding braid. So now I have 2 of these kind of braids that can go backwards like this. We're just going to do a 2-strand twist. This one is much easier, so if you found the last part hard, don't worry, I'm sure the hard part's over now. So you just want two pieces of hair like this. Try to twist in the direction that your hair is going in. So my hair's twisting that way, this way. That it really doesn't make a difference, but it's gonna not disturb your curl pattern too much. So if you want to take this hairstyle out, you should have your curl pattern intact. I love doing these because you get into the rhythm and it feels like you've got robot arms. It's like okay, what you should have now is 2 Dutch braids and 2 twists, and now this is the fun part. I'm just gonna put it all together. So I'm gonna take the rest of my hair into a little bit of a half up, half down. The braids can come down and you can tuck them into the middle. On this side, tuck it in. Okay, so right now you should be looking something like this, which by itself looks kind of boring. So we can definitely do a lot more with this. We can have a lot more fun with this. So I have got a whole box of accessories. I got my trick-or-treat things. Claw. I wish I had more of these because these are really cute. But then I just kind of gathered every black or gothic looking hair clip that I have, and I'm gonna use them. I'm gonna stick them in my hair. So I'm just gonna fix up my fringe because it was looking all frizzy. It's really easy. I just spray it with water and then redefine the curls. And you don't have to use a diamond brush like me to redefine them. You can just use your fingers or a comb. I wanna know why this one went like that and this one's gone like this. Oh well, it looks cute either way, I think. Pretty much finished decorating it now. Now I just want to do some makeup to go with it. The main thing that I'm going to do is just darken up around my eyes. And then I think we're just going to build from there. I don't have any plan for what's going to happen right now. That's kind of just how I move through life, you know, no plan. That's not true, I do have a plan. Then taking it wide. Guys, I have not done a big crazy makeup look in a really long time. I used to love playing with makeup. I used to do like celebrity transformations if I ever saw like a new movie coming out. I don't know, life gets in the way. You stop doing these things. I'm talking like I'm like 40 years old. What am I talking about? Life gets in the way. I don't know how the kids. I'm gonna be a skeleton, okay? Because I'm gonna contour some cheekbones. I'm gonna do it very, very dark. I'm gonna take some concealer and I'm gonna fix things up. I'm gonna add some harsh edges and some harsh lines to make myself look very angular. That's the goal. I'm gonna really make my cheekbone pop, which is kind of exactly what I want. Blendedy blend, blendedy blend, blendedy blend, blendedy blend, blendedy blend. Hey guys, that is that completed first look. I had to end up doing my makeup off camera because the battery was dying. I just had to quickly do it, but it's really basic. I just like kind of carved my cheekbones to kind of make it look a bit like a skeleton, but not really, because we're kind of keeping this like really light and easy and cute. This is the hairstyle and I'm obsessed with her. I like it a lot. Oh, I feel like a pirate or something. The next look, I am going to split my hair in half. I'm going to split it in half. I'm going to do a half up, half down. I tend to do this quite messy, but I think today I should do it really sleek and really clean. Because you know what we're going for? We're going for a Catwoman look today. I feel like Catwoman would prefer sleekness and straight lines. Wouldn't she? She would. She would! Okay, so I've split my hair in half, and for the bottom section I'm going to tie this away so that it doesn't get in the way. It's just so much easier when you do that. Tie this into a bun for now. For this part, I'm just going to spray it lightly with some water, because that really helps me to get my hair sleek. And then I'm going to take this brush, which is by Tangle Tees. I absolutely love it. I like to take just like a triangular section at the front. You see how it's like triangular? I like that because it means I can kind of flip my fringe either way, depending what I'm feeling. And even before I tie it up, I like to just spray it one more time and then get some kind of gel on it. So I'm going to use the Curl Company Curl Cream Gel. If you guys didn't know, I have a line with the Curl Company. So it's the Lana Summer Edit. I'll leave it linked down below. Let me know what you guys think of it. But yeah, it's all my favorite products from the Curl Company and it's on their website and it's on sale now, so discounted right now. And then I take a little scrunchie. This is a little mini scrunchie from my brand, which is Hitchy. Think Ariana Grande bunny ears. That's kind of what we're doing with this, except I don't have bunny ears. So we're just gonna tie it like that. I could tie it tighter, but I don't want to injure myself by tying it too tight. Now, if you created some frizz while you were doing that, because I created some frizz while I was separating my hair, all that I do then is I just take some water and I spray it wherever it's frizzy and I put a bit of product on it. That's all I do. Sometimes there's already product on the hair and the water just kind of reactivates the product. So you might not even need to add some product, but I'm gonna just add a little bit just for safe measure. Let me know in the comment section, what are you guys doing for Halloween this year? I feel like I've kind of lost my Halloween. I've fallen off the Halloween train. Pre-2020, like in 2019, I had the best October ever. We did so much. Like we were doing escape rooms and ghost tours, and we went on this like cursed evening kind of thing. I went on a date to see the Joker as well. Okay, so what we're gonna do with the makeup is we are gonna play with that whole kind of like Catwoman sleek kind of feel, and I'm gonna do a little bit of cat-ish makeup. We're gonna keep it cute, we're gonna keep it ambiguous, we're just gonna have some kind of vibe. The makeup that I'm gonna do is really simple, and I think a lot of you will be able to follow along. First of all, start off with some liquid liner. So this is the Revolution. Basically doing a fox eye with this right here. Then we're gonna dive right in with a white liner on the waterline. Don't be afraid to kind of coat your lash line and your lashes, because now what we're going to do is we're actually going to come down and we're going to widen my whole eye and brighten all of that. Tabby cats have this beautiful white ring around their eyes. It's so nice. So cute. That's kind of what we're going for. We're going for a tabby cat look. I guess everyone does like a black cat all the time. Well, today is the day of the tabby cat, okay? Eyeshadow and just round out my eyes. So this is my cat makeup. I mean, I kind of look like a cat, but I also look kind of just like crazy. Maybe I should do the whole black lip thing. I did it. I did the black lip. I'm not really sure if it helps me look more like a cat or not. I feel like it doesn't really do anything for me. Oh. I'm gonna put my outfit on and you guys are gonna see why the makeup doesn't really matter that much and why we're just doing the whole Catwoman thing with the sleek hairstyle and the hair, okay? Because even if you are not ready for the day, it cannot always be night. Boom, boom, boom! That is the look. So yeah, as you can see, the makeup really didn't matter at all. I really like how this hair pairs with this mask. I really like the contrast. Like, this is very sleek, straight, it's going up, and then this hair just goes pow all out the back, and I think it looks great. Let me know what you think, and let me know which one of these hairstyles you prefer. I am running late for an event, so I really need to head out, so let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. I think we're gonna wear this for a house party on Saturday night, but I don't know whether it's a bit too like why is she dressed like a hoe, you know? Like, why is she everyone else is probably gonna come dressed as like grapes and pizzas and stuff. I don't know. Yeah, this is the look. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Love you lots. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.